This 2010 Honda Accord just got towed in with a no crank, no run condition. We got power there. We do have a cutout switch here. Gonna make sure we got a circuit there. We do. Circuit there. We do. So that's good. You stick the key in the ignition, turn it on, and absolutely nothing lights up. We come over here to the underhood fuse box. Take this cover off, hopefully. Get it out the way. Take the test light. We got no power there. We have power there. We have a fuse right there. We have power there. We have none there. So that fuse is blown. It's one you can't hardly see because it got a sideways window. Let me see what I can do about getting that temporarily bypassed. Come in here with the cordless driver. Take that terminal loose, or take that bolt loose. Take this one loose. Get the handy dandy pocket screwdriver with a magnet. Take that out. Take that out. See if we can get this fuse pulled out of there. Okay, there was a clip on the end that had to be released and one on the back side. We pull it up and sure enough it's blown. And I've got the screws started. Got an inline fuse holder. Tighten that up. Hopefully tighten this one up. That one don't seem quite right. We're going to get that started with the screwdriver first. Make sure everything's going the way it should. Don't want to cross thread nothing. There we go. Now let's see if we got any power on the inside. Well, notice I had to flip that up. We got that back in place. And we have power there. And we have power there. Now we got to go inside and try to crank it and see what blows and what stays together. The first step is we're going to turn the ignition on. We got DD-DEETs and lights and all sorts of good stuff. That sounded good, didn't it? Okay, we got it cranked up and running. No significant dash lights on. It's particularly the alternator light. Don't see it anywhere. Now let's see if we got any charging voltages. And it's charging at 14.6. So the big mystery is what caused that fuse to blow. Did somebody hook up cables backwards or what? Or do we have an alternator going out? Highly likely the alternator's got an issue because it's got power steering fluid all over it. Nice and wet, probably shorting out or will be going out. Well, we'll see how this saga continues. For the time being, Sparky out.